finally made it to Florida. Everything that was planned, we just threw out the window, or I threw out the window, I should say. We're supposed to go originally Boston to DC, DC to Chicago, Chicago to Fort Myers, and then we switched it up the day before to Boston to DC, DC to Charlotte, Charlotte to Fort Myers, Charlotte to Tampa with an overnight, because we didn't have to go to Fort Myers until Sunday. And then when I landed in DC last night, my flight kept getting delayed to Charlotte, and they let me change it, so I changed it for the next day, for today, a direct flight to Tampa, so I don't have to switch planes. So I did that, and I was supposed to go to the Rays game today at 1, it's about an hour and a half away from here, and I waited for an hour and a half for my rental car shuttle, and they still didn't show up. Zoom rental car, don't use them, they're terrible. And when you call them and ask for the shuttle, they didn't understand. I go, you told me I had to pick up a shuttle from the airport. I don't usually do that. I needed a cheap car. That was the cheapest one there is. Won't do that again. So they gave me my money back. And then I sold the ticket to the Rays game because I was going to drive 2 hours. Missed to watch an hour of the game to drive 2 hours. It would be a 4-hour round trip for an hour of baseball. I'll hit that stadium up another time. So now I'm going to the Yankees game. I got these special seats. I think it's like all you can eat or something like that in the back. So I'm going to do that. And then tomorrow we get the Bruins game. And then Sunday morning, I'm going to leave early. Go back to the airport. It's right across the street. Walk there. Walk to the hotel. And it was like a 15-minute walk. And then I'm going to drive down to Fort Myers. About 2.5-hour drive, give or take. And we're going to go to the Red Sox game at 1 o'clock. Then fly back home to Boston. Direct. No thinking around. Gonna try to leave here early on Sunday though, because I want to get to see some stuff in Fort Myers. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time to do it after the game. But we'll see. But for now, we're walking to. I didn't bring enough clothes. Apparently, I packed very half asleep, sleep deprived, and I didn't pack a couple t-shirts. I only have a couple. I wore the one I wore yesterday, and I'm wearing that for 2 days. Everything I have has Red Sox on it, so it's the only thing I had. They had a little bit of something on it. I didn't want to walk into Yankees spring training stadium wearing Red Sox stuff, so that would be fun. So I'm heading to the mall right now, which is right across the street. I'm just going to buy a t-shirt, cheap t-shirt, not too fancy. And then it looks like a place to eat over there. I just had a beer, so I love this place. I'm going on a rant. I'm sorry if I'm ranting. I'm Mr. Rant here. I'm the ramp guy. So I love World of Beers. I love the idea of a World of Beers because the service you get in these places. I get it. Spring break. They're busy. The place was packed. And I would have probably stuck there if I was just getting a drink, but I wanted food, so the goal was to sit there for a drink and walk over to the mall, but I just figured just do that now. Just get it with. It's half the walk right there to the baseball stadium. I'm walking to the baseball stadium tonight. It's like 2 miles away. The mall's halfway. I'll go there, get my shirt, grab some lunch, and then have a few, head over to the stadium, and enjoy some baseball tonight. And then, I don't know, probably stay in the area here. I'm not going to venture to downtown Tampa tonight, so I'm going to be there all day tomorrow, so no need an unnecessary Uber ride. This will be something I'm going to do tomorrow. And I do also want to leave early on Sunday because I want to go to St. Pete real quick and check out the Rays Stadium, what it looks like now, and film a little bit of that. So I got some stuff to do. Hopefully it all goes in. I'm already in Florida, so everything I needed to do is here. So, but yeah. So next time you see me, I'll be in the mall, and then I don't know how sure I'm going to put this video together because originally this video was going to be this pub crawl that I was going to do, and that didn't turn into anything. And then I want to split the stadium up separately, so I'll do that separately. So this might just be the whole vacation of me doing stuff that's not involved with stadiums. How's that sound? So next time you see me, I'll probably be walking to the stadium. Well, if something else crazy happens, so we'll see. All right. So what do we got? $12 t-shirt. That should do the trick. Well, instead of drinking all day like I was planning on doing, I guess I really wasn't planning on doing it because I was supposed to be at Ray's game and then rush around to get to this game. So I actually took it a little easy today, relaxed. But heading to the Yankees game right now. So I was going to walk all the way. It was an hour walk. Stop halfway. I decided to take an Uber halfway and walk the rest of the way. So I stopped at a bar and now I'm walking to the game. Right over there behind me, I don't know if you can see it. It's where the Tampa Bay Bucks play, Raymond James Stadium. We're going to be there next year, next February exactly, to see the Bruins play the Lightning outside in Florida in February. How do you like those hours? Huh? That's going to be wild. We're going to do that next year. We're going to get the hotel booked, working on flights, or we're going to drive, one or the other. That's what we're going to do. But now we're walking towards George Steinbrenner Field. This is where the Yankees have played for many years. And in fact, the Rays are actually playing here as their stadium for the 2025 season, at least, maybe more, until they finish building or repair Tropicana Field, or decide if they're going to knock it down and just build a new stadium. Or move the team all together. Either or. So it'll be very interesting to find out. But yeah, there's Raymond James Stadium right behind me. And into the game right now. So I'm going to end this video, or pause right here in this video. Next time you see me, I'll be leaving the game. Or tomorrow, depending on what the situation is. Alright, so what's up everybody? I84 here with the Explorers. We are going to George Steinbrenner Field, home of the spring training of the New York Yankees. Can't believe it's taking this long to get here. First time at the stadium. We are walking to the stadium currently right now. It's actually right across the street from where the Buccaneers play. So we're going to see that stadium real quick. Practice field for the Yankees. That's the Yankee greats. There's Raymond James where the Bucks play. It's going to be really interesting next year seeing the Bruins play the Lightning here. It's outdoor stadium in February. Nice football stadium. Kind of doing some recall. We haven't been to the stadium yet for football, so where we stayed at the hotel might actually be a good spot for a game. You can walk, get a couple bars up along the way. And the baseball stadium's over here on the other side of the airport. I'll show a little video here soon. I think the Pats are actually playing down here this year. I'm not sure. I think so. Pats in Tampa. George Steinbrenner Field. There we go. The legend of baseball of the New York Yankee organization. Legends right here. My Joe. Just the one that really hurts right there. Babe. There's the big guy himself, Steinbrenner. R.I.P. George. Oops, sorry. Mr. October, Reggie Jackson. It's a beautiful state. I gotta say, listen, I have to say it. all know I'm Mr. Baseball. We all know I'm Mr. Red Sox. I have to say, I can't believe it took me so long to get to George Steinbrenner Field here in Tampa. I haven't even been inside the stadium yet. I am extremely impressed by the exterior of the stadium at this point. And I don't want you all Yankee fans to be saying, oh, look at this Red Sox fan, he's all excited for the Yankees. No, listen, I still hate the Yankees. I still hate you guys. I'm rooting for the Jays tonight. But I gotta say, you guys have a hell of a facility down here in Tampa. And I think every other baseball team, I haven't been to Arizona yet. I'm doing that next year. But I think every other baseball team plays in Florida. Wicked missed opportunity. JetBlue Park and Truist Field, I believe, or Pool Today Park, wherever they raised, are the two newest parks in the Grapefruit League. The stadium's 30, 40 years old. So much better than those stadiums. I don't know what's going on over here. I have to say, awesome. I understand why the Rays are playing here for the regular season this year. I might be back for a Rays Sox game at Yankees. It's going to be really weird. I'm going to see the Red Sox play the Rays at the Yankees spring training field. Weird. So I paid like an extra few bucks for this thing called the Pinstripe Pass. And it got me a free Bud or a Bud Light, so I took the Bud, but was it worth it? Yeah, probably. It was a standard ticket. I'm just gonna just wander around like I usually do at baseball caps. But I hate New Yorkers and I love New Yorkers at the same time. I love them because they have the same attitude as Bostonians do. I just hate them because they're New Yorkers. No other offense. Listen, if you're from New York, no offense. I like the rivalry. It's fun. But, yeah, I mean, everyone's cool. It's actually a lot nicer than Tropicana Field.
Get up there.
Jedi. Defend the Death Star here. No one knows I'm a Red Sox fan. I'm trying to keep it on the DL, but a lot of stormtroopers in here, you know? But it's okay. It's okay. Everyone's cool. Everyone's cool.
I think we had Austin Wells and Cody Bellinger. Beer, water, white claw.
Empire. I am a Jedi who's entered the Death Star. Like the little Death Star, not like the big one. So my God, a little Jedi entering the little Death Star, I guess you could say. Because spring training, these games don't count. They're playing the Canadians. So, I mean, 51st state, sorry. I like how they did the archways, like the original Yankee Stadium. Pretty freaking impressive. A nice stadium, yeah. This is a big AAA stadium. Really small for a Major League Stadium, but I mean, the amount of fans that the Rays get, they'll probably fill it out every night. Pretty cool. Let's go with the Blue Jays. What is that, 2-1? Okay. Never root for the Yankees. I root for the Yankees last year. I did root for the Yankees in the World Series last year because I hate the Dodgers that much. I hate the Yankees too. I had to pick both. I had some friends who are Yankee fans, so I had to go for the Yankees. It's tough. It's tough.
We're gonna win.
And this guy is not calling ball.
We gotta score your own.
No chance. By the way,
You got a story for your buddies. I got one. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'm definitely gonna get
in the event of a jackpot, I'm gonna find you 16 patches.
Back at the house, those must be the buses taken back to the Ned for Bled Jays, maybe? Check that out tomorrow. Nice little view, right? love spring training night games. This is my favorite. We should have more of these. I don't know why they play at 1 o'clock. Should all be night games. Or split it up a little bit, you know?
Tickets only $20. Top goes in on 15 grand.
Last time we did that.
I hate the Yankees, but I'm going to tell you, this is just the greatest spring training facility I've been to in the Grapefruit League. So I'm going to say, I know why the Rays are playing here. This is the best hockey you can play in Florida right now. And I got the last shot glass from my collection that was in the store. Thanks, Stella. Got little guy baseball for the spring training park for his collection. And the Blue Jays beating the Yankees, which is even better. So this is a great park. I'm going to come back down here. The Red Sox are playing the Rays in September. I might get a trip down here to go see this because it's an official MLB park. I want to get this on the list for me to see the official MLB park. I'm going to do it. It's going to be fun. It's going to be great. It's awesome. You know what? I hate the Yankees, but I love your stadium. I love the setup you get here. This is great. You got like a pickup ball court over there. And then Tom Brady won a Super Bowl across the street. So, I mean, how can I be angry about this place, right? Best song ever. There's no song better than this song. This is the best song ever. Greatest song. There's no song. All the other songs suck. Best song ever.